Hi guys, this is the Aeg Rapido handheld vacuum cleaner that AO.com have kindly given me to review. In the box you get the handheld vacuum cleaner, the charging dock, an adapter and the instructions on how to use it. They're in a pretty simple diagram form, but if you do need any help or you have any questions, on the bottom of the vacuum cleaner there is a number that you can call. Okay, to use the handheld vacuum cleaner you have to charge it. It takes 4 hours to get a full charge that lasts for 14 minutes. The charging dock you can have on any surface, or you can mount it to the wall. It's got screw holes in it to do that. You can also press this button here and have it in any position that you want. Another good thing about the charger is that it's an auto off charger, which means that it has low energy consumption, which is good for the battery, and also you save a few pennies. The actual handheld hoover has this button on, which is the on off button. You press it once to turn it on and once to turn it off. There's this button which has a plus and a minus sign on it. That is because it has two power settings. You press it once for one power setting and once for another. This button is to release the top to empty it. We'll look at that in a minute. And on the bottom of the handheld vacuum cleaner there's these little wheels for ease of use. I've never seen that on any other handheld vacuum cleaner before, so that's quite nice. I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to use it. I have two dogs, Minnie and Marley. They're white and my cushions are dark, so I thought it would be a perfect example. You can see it's pretty hairy. I've let them lie on the sofa all morning, especially for this video. Okay, so just going to turn it on. Okay, so that's all done. There's still a few hairs on there because I did it pretty quickly, but it does pick up stuff really well. It's nowhere near as hairy as it was a minute ago. Now to empty it, just a second. To empty it, I need both hands for this. I need to put the phone back down. To empty it, you use this button here. You just press it and the battery comes away. So you can just put that down. This is the inside. You just hold it either side there and it pops out. There we go. And you can just empty it into the bin. It very easily clicks back together. And, oh, I haven't done it properly. Make sure you put the bottom in properly as well. That's it. And that's it. One thing I didn't show you was the adapter. It just literally slots into the end there if you want to use that. And that's it really. Delivery was excellent. I got a text the day before it arrived reminding me that it was coming, and on the actual day, first thing in the morning, I got an hour's delivery slot, which was brilliant, which means I didn't have to sit in and wait for it all day. So overall, I'm extremely happy with it.